right, I promised I was going to share with you how to create YouTube short from your long YouTube videos. By the way, this is the easiest way to create YouTube shorts. Okay, now you are going to be using the normal YouTube app, not YouTube Studio app. Okay, you can't also do this with your laptop. You can only do it with your YouTube app, the normal YouTube app. So I'm on my normal YouTube app. Okay, and then you have to select the video you want to use, the long video you want to use. I've selected this one. Okay, the next thing is to click on, of course, you're going to be doing this with your own videos you've uploaded on YouTube. Okay, your long videos you've uploaded on YouTube. So you can't do this with another person's video except you uploaded that video on your YouTube. And of course, you don't just upload other people's videos on your YouTube. So that's not the lesson for today. But now you've clicked on that your long video, you will see where it says remix. Click on it, and then you see edit into a short. Click on it. Live with. Now, let me pause it for now. Okay, now if you notice up there, you see where it says 15 seconds. I can as well extend it to 60 seconds. For this type of YouTube shorts, the maximum limit is 60 seconds. Okay, for other YouTube shorts that are not created from longer videos, the maximum is 180 seconds. That's 3 minutes. Okay, that's as at today. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to allow this video to play a bit. Let me see if the part I want to share can come within 15 seconds. If not, I can extend it to 60 seconds and then adjust. So let's play the video. That trouble is useless. We grow by the problems we solve. You will never know God can heal until you become sick and he heals you. My mother, my wife is here. Okay, I think I can extend it. So let me click on that 15 seconds. Okay, can you see automatically it has turned to 60 seconds? Okay, so let me shift the line. Them tuned up. Okay. Okay, let's listen again. Grow by the problems we solve. And let me take it to the last. Let me hear. To song, which I will do tonight. Okay, I think that's very okay. Okay, so this is the part I want to share. And if you notice, I turned it to 60 seconds, but it still didn't take up to 60 seconds. I think down here you see it's 55 seconds, 55.2 seconds. Okay, that's what you see if you check the timeline. Okay, so having done this, the next thing is to click on done. Then allow it to process. Now, something could happen at this point in time. This processing could fail. Okay, so sometimes this happens. What you do is, don't think it doesn't work, go again and try it. Okay, sometimes it's network that could make it fail. Okay, don't say, oh, it didn't work. Yes, I have found situations where I tried doing it, it refused to process. Okay, I'll have to go back again and try it again, maybe refresh my network before doing it again. But thankfully, this one is processing and is progressing well. So in a short while, we'll be done and we move to the next page or stage of the posting of the shot we have created. So automatically, we grow by the problems. So automatically the shot has been created. I had to reduce the volume so I can hear what it's saying. Okay, so it has been created. So I'll head to next. Before I head to next, you see down here the timeline. So if I type the text, I could change the timeline of the text. Okay, but there is no text at this point in time, so I can add text from here. I can say life problems make lives meaningful. Problems make life meaningful. Something like this. Okay, let me adjust it from up here to bring life down. Yeah, let me leave it this way, but let me change the color to something else. Yeah, I think this is okay. So I can bring it here. Now on the timeline, I can click on this and you see the timing. So I can decide that this text ends here. Okay. I can decide that it ends here so that when you proceed here, you will no longer see the text. Okay. And I'll hit done. Okay, so at this point in time, we can hit on next. Okay, there's actually something I missed showing you. Let me see if I can take it back. No, I will do another video to show you that. Okay, so let's finish with this one. So I'll click on next. Remember, you can see our text here, but if you want to see it again, click on the timeline and you'll be able to see it. So if you scroll like this, you can see the text. Okay, you can as well bring the text towards the end if that's what we want. So from beginning you won't see the text, but it's usually to put the caption. If it's a text caption, put it at the beginning and then adjust it to where you want it to disappear. In some cases you might even leave it till the end. Okay, so that's also an option. So I'll click on done and then head to next. Of course, you can put filter from here. Let me take this my picture. You can put filter. You can make it any color you want. If I want to put this, you see it turns to this, but I don't need filter, so I remove all the filters and hit OK. So the other adjustments, if you want, you can do from here, but then I want to click on next. So at this point in time, I will want to be posting it. But before then, let me adjust the cover. Okay, click on this pencil icon, allow it to load. It's processing. Now, why this part is important is that if you don't select a cover you want, YouTube will just choose a random cover for you and you might not like it. So let me see if I can adjust this to, okay, maybe I will leave it here. Okay, and then click tick good up, and then I can type here what makes life meaningful. Then I'll put the name, Dr. Let me put Reverend Dr. Mopai. Reverend Dr. Mopai is a message he preached at the recent PFN conference. And Reverend Dr. Mopai is currently 80 years old. He marked 80 this February. Okay, so the other settings I can do, but for now, I can just hit on public or I can put it on listed, depending. If I want to publish it now, I'll just leave it at public. If I don't want, I can put it at private and publish it later. But I think I'm going to publish it now. So what I will do is I'll still select the public. Okay, take it back. Now, this video will be showing that it is created from the other video, okay? I can further add the related video, okay? But even if I don't add it at this point, it will still be showing that it was created from the other video. But let me add related video, and I hit on this. I can put other adjustment much later. So once you are done, hit on upload, okay? Upload shots. I'll click on it. Just allow it a few minutes to upload. You can check, you can see the video here. Click on see video to check the upload process, whether it's done. When it's done, you can go to your shot. Okay, it's still processing. Okay, yeah, I think it's 100% now. So let me refresh so we'll see the video. Sorry. Yeah, the video is okay, it's still 100% processed. So let me go to shots. You can see the video on the shot here. I don't know why it's still showing me. It's supposed to show ahead. That's it. So you see the video, it has appeared here on my under my shots. Okay, so that's how to create your shots, yeah, YouTube shots from your long YouTube videos. And I can create as many shots as I want from this video depending on the length of the video. Okay, do like, share and subscribe for more.